My name is Dr. Maren Geis-Gill, and I normally, when not here at University of Wisconsin, my alma mater, music camp, I work at Bethel University in St. Paul, Minnesota. And it's been absolutely wonderful to work with these students this week. And I forget how much I love when Wisconsin students, when I got to teach here before moving on to leaving to go to Iowa and then the nemesis of Minnesota. But thank you very much for being here, and I hope you enjoy our program. Thank you.